Ever wish your toolbox just upgraded itself? These are the new DIY tools on Amazon you didn't know you needed. From clever gadgets to serious workshop upgrades. Stick around. Your next project is about to get a whole lot easier. Rivets? More like rivetception. Milwaukee's 18-volt brushless Rivet Nut Gun delivers precise threaded fastening with adjustable setting force, a digital display packing 99 settings and 10 memory presets. Quick change mandrels plus automatic reverse make reloading a breeze. Fastening just got smart, fast, and seriously fun. Small grinder, big cross-training skills. Worx's 20-volt 125mm angle grinder brings powerful, lightweight performance with 6-speed adjustment and electronic anti-kickback control for safety. The battery plays nice across Worx's 20-volt, 40-volt, and 80-volt systems. One battery, endless grinding glory. The 6-in-1 Grip Strength Trainer combines adjustable 10 to 160 pound resistance with a force gauge, finger bands, forearm exerciser, stress ball, and massage ball. Its ergonomic, portable design supports grip strength, flexibility, recovery, and consistent training at home, in the gym, or anywhere. Lasers so bright, they need their own sunglasses. The PowerPlane-Laser projects 1 horizontal and 2 vertical green laser circles for pinpoint alignment. Power Green plus Tech, a percentage tilt display, remote control, and 18-volt battery compatibility bring accurate, flexible leveling to even the toughest construction jobs. For rules, meet your eviction notice. The compression sleeve puller safely yanks compression ferrules off without wrecking your pipes or walls. The complete kit tosses in an angle stop wrench, sandpaper, and a storage bag. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Plumbing headaches? Officially uninstalled. Triple your strength, 0 extra gym time. These Ratchet pruning shears offer single cut and 3-step ratchet modes, multiplying your hand power 3-fold. Sharp SK5 steel blades slice branches up to 3/4 inch, while ergonomic handles and a safety lock keep pruning comfortable and secure. Small wrench, unbreakable ego. This 6-inch drop-forged adjustable wrench is built from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with precision jaws for a rock-solid grip. Soft grip handles keep hands comfortable through plumbing, automotive, and maintenance work. Tough, reliable, and ready for anything you throw at it. Stubborn jar lids, your reign of terror ends here. This jar opener flexes durable stainless steel teeth and a long, ergonomic handle for serious leverage and grip. Its adjustable design pops open jars, bottles, and cans with ease. Perfect for anyone with limited dexterity. Pickles, prepare to surrender. Big lifts, small footprint, 0 gym membership needed. The VEVOR portable gantry crane delivers a compact mobile lifting solution for workshops and job sites. Its adjustable design allows convenient positioning and reliable support for lifting, moving, and handling heavy equipment and materials. Heavy stuff, meet your match. Weld like a pro, protect like a paranoid electrician. The Boat YT8 inverter welder handles both MIG-MAG and flux welding, with automatic wire feeding for effortless operation. CE compliant with high voltage protection and an LC filter. It delivers stable, reliable performance every single time. Sparks, but the good kind. Push it, don't force it. The push-to-connect screw anchor lets you install threaded rod into concrete ceilings with one simple push. No drama required. Zinc-plated carbon steel delivers durable corrosion resistance for reliable overhead fastening. Ceiling work just got embarrassingly easy. big crimps, tiny footprint. The SLC 510. Hydraulic Crimper's compact inline design gives you easy one-handed control, even in the tightest spaces. It crimps conductors up to 400 square millimeters and works with U-type dies. Perfect for switchboards and panels. Tight spaces just got a whole lot friendlier. 3 tools. 1 overachiever. The Wen offset marking gauge combines an offset gauge, ruler, and adjustable square for precise woodworking. Aluminum construction, dual vernier scales, and laser-engraved markings deliver accurate measurements, reference lines, cutting depths, and fence alignment. Guesswork officially retired. Freezer burn. Meet your worst nightmare. These vacuum sealer bags block moisture and oxygen to lock in freshness. 5-ply construction, alignment markers, and handy perforations make sealing reliable and opening a breeze. Perfect for fish, veggies, meat, and beyond. Freshness, officially on lockdown. Dull bits. Consider yourselves unemployed. The VEVOR drill bits. Sharpener restores bits from 3 to 13 millimeters with adjustable 95 degrees to 135 degrees angles. Interchangeable CBN or SDC wheels and a powerful 4,500 revolutions per minute motor make it perfect for workshops, garages, and DIY warriors. Sharp comeback, literally. 2 sanders walk into a workshop and become one. The Bobbin belt. Sander combines belt and spindle sanding in one heavy-duty machine. A 2.2 kilowatt motor, oscillating action, adjustable tables, and 3 bobbin sizes deliver efficient, stable sanding for larger workpieces. Overachiever energy, fully unlocked. Small grip, big grind. This compact cordless angle grinder is built for demanding cutting and grinding jobs. Its ergonomic design, brushless motor, and 22-volt battery platform deliver powerful, controlled performance without a single cord to trip over. Cordless mobility never looked this good. Heavy lifting just got a brain. The Enerpac Intelli-Lift 2.0 wireless gantry controller brings precise, safe control to heavy lifting operations. Dual wireless technology, proportional joysticks, automatic data logging, an emergency stop, and intelligent load limits ensure reliable, efficient performance. Smart lifting, zero guesswork. Small saw, mighty bite. This cordless chainsaw packs a 25-centimeter Oregon Speedcut nano bar and chain, an 18-volt 4.0 ampere-hour LiPower battery, air-cooled charger, chain protection, and a combo spanner for easy maintenance. Compact power that's ready to cut loose, no cord attached. Stormwater's dirty secrets, exposed and eliminated. The Funke sedimentation plant offers space-saving underground treatment for stormwater runoff. Its horizontal design filters out pollutants like tire particles, fine dust, oil, and heavy metals before water reaches sensitive ecosystems. Clean water, zero drama, tons of environmental street cred. And that's a wrap on the best new DIY tools on Amazon. If even one of these earned a spot on your wish list, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Drop a comment with your favorite pick. See you in the next video.